I ain't got a friend, so here I go again. I gotta get my props up and earn my respect. Gotta shake someone up or throw them off the top deck. My time's running out, I gotta spill some blood. If I don't do it quick, shit, my name will be mud. So I pick out a hard rock and rush him in his cell. Beat his ass down and then say that he fell. And if I gotta do him, screw him, the convict's dead. I'll stab him in the chest, just to let the rest run the cell block know that I'm nobody's hoe. My shank's in my hand, so tell me who's the man.
I'm a champ at this rap shit. We about to have church just like the Baptists. Show you what a soul clap is. Legendary Johnny Mathis. I'm so active, me and Ninth go perfectly, like somersaults and backflips. We move Latinos, white boys, even the black kids. The Asian cats that truly know what rap is. You know the fact is, specs should have been signed. Metaphors got more kicks in them than finish line. I'm off the hooks like phones up in your project. It's so nostalgic, the rap game so overcrowded. Down south say you bout it. Out west they say for Shizo. Up north what's happening my peoples? It's live when I breathe on it. My raw performance, put G's on it. Got no dough, put your car keys on it. Take your old school, battle for jewels, battle for drugs, battle for booze, battle for shoes. Fuck if I lose, I re-up and re-battle you fools. Army of one, hottest shit to shine since the sun. I'm the chosen one, plus some. Bang like percussions, hang a man with my verbal discussions. You can't touch them, burn your chest like a white Russian. Plus I got your block buzzing. Hey yo, let's can or something. Listen Dukes, we are definitely not cousins, but that's okay cause you love how I rock. Ladies love how I rock, the fellas love how I rock. Spectac, dropping you gifts just like it's Christmas. Really doesn't matter if you miss or misses. Throw up both your hands, let me see you pump your fists. When I rock, throw your fists. Fuck if you miss or misses. This is the exquisite. Pump your fists if you feel it. Throw up your hands if you feel it. When I rock, throw your fists. Fuck if you miss or misses. This is the exquisite. Pump your fists if you feel it. Throw up your hands if you feel it. I rap a lot, I rap aloud. I rap for kids from down south who ain't never coming out. You heard about it, word of mouth. Fat beats, Def Jam South. I'm coming out, dying a raw style. No flossing, $6 million to spend like Steve Austin. The platinum chains are so costing. I'd rather spend it on them seedy ass knucklehead kids. I do it so often. That's why the baby mamas love me, wanna bone me. Not enough to go around, so they try and clone me. And no matter what side of town, it's what up, homie. High fives and shit, we live as shit. Hip hop's my two front teeth. I wanna die with this. So-called Mission Impossible, Juggernaut, unstoppable. South Carolina's prodigal son has returned. I can't be burned. I bring lessons from the ghetto that can't be learned. From a higher source, you hot, take your clothes off. I'm that uncooked raw. If you sniff, take your nose off. Spectacular's back. I'm telling you, Doc. The little kids on their block, the Mr. and Mrs. They love what I got. They love how I blow the spot. Love how I keep them hot. Point blank, they just love how I rock when I rock. When I rock, throw your fists. Fuck if you miss or misses. This is the exquisite. Pump your fists if you feel it. Throw up your hands if you feel it. When I rock, throw your fists. Fuck if you miss or misses. This is the exquisite. Pump your fists if you feel it. Throw up your hands if you feel it. On these Carolina back roads where I mastered these rap flows and hit up shows like City Pimps used to smack holes, rapping through their asshole and mouth. Used to think shit and fly words come out. The bathroom is where we hung out, cause somehow that brought out the bass in your beat bout. Make music with your mouth and vibrations from the sheetrocks. 10 years before Pete Rock, we watched that street rock. Get us high like Woodstock, the cities had good cops, and little kids rock their Reeboks, doing their bus stop on the all-white high tops. Couldn't wait for my time to drop. Finally my whole clique's on, and I'ma put it on. Any track that I'm spitting on, I'ma get the getting before it's gone. You that soft porn, I'm that hard shit. Triple X, the Van Diesel hard dick. I'ma flow regardless, no matter if you old or young or just started. Whether you gangsters or mobsters, poets or authors, it's really not bothering me. You're all garbage, quick disposal, only flow local. I'm worldwide and so vocal, a better view like bifocals. Wrestling style of chokehold, you can't get loose. I'm like OJ, I did it, but you can't get proof. Verbal mortar shell, hit cats in groups all by themselves. Mine's on the top charts and yours on the bottom shelves. You niggas know that I rock well, it never fails. I set wind to your sails like Nautica, blow like Orca the whale, tipping your scale. Plus I write jams like Howard, guaranteed to cold sell when I rock. The world loves how I rock. When I rock, throw your fists. Fuck if you missed or misses. This is the exquisite. Pump your fists if you feel it. Throw up your hands if you feel it. When I rock, throw your fists. Fuck if you missed or misses. This is the exquisite. Pump your fists if you feel it. Throw up your hands if you feel it. When I rock, throw your fists. Fuck if you missed or misses. This is the exquisite. Pump your fists if you feel it. Throw up your hands if you feel it. When I rock, throw your fists. Fuck if you missed or misses. This is the exquisite. Pump your fists if you feel it. Throw up your hands if you feel it.
Yo, Prev.
What's up?
I'm thinking, man.
You've got
We don't always have to talk about Dungeons and Dragons all the time, you know? You don't have to make things so complicated. So let's take this back and show them how we could do this too.
Word. Deep by using canyons.
Right?
You
can't get by the cannon. No way. Seasoned veterans, the hawk has landed. Toxic tandem, the doctrine of madmen. The planet of apes is now a main attraction. How does it happen? If I knew, I'd tell you. They probably try to say I worship devils in the cellar. It's just a sleight of hand, like Penn and Teller. The mighty dollar is taller than the scholar. Come on, ask your neighborhood martyr about the fire starter. People are driven to buildings when I let it out. My system built by the hands of men and women. Thinking of quitting? Do it. Now's the time. There's more job opportunities at the back of the line. Applications and registrations feels more like an investigation. That's right. Now how's that for a demonstration?
That's what I'm talking about, Fred. We're taking it back.
One. Go back to the essence.
What we're gonna do right here. Take it back to the basics. Fallen members. What we're gonna do right here is go back.
Go back to the essence.
What we're gonna do right here. Take it back to the basics. Fallen members.
Hey yo, we all get older, rhymes get bolder. Series of events makes the heart grow colder. Started off with 2, now we got mad soldiers. Battle axe warriors, bitch, I thought I told ya. Heineken's on stage, never rock show sober. Spit venom of a cobra, hatched in October. Cuss, Libra Scorpion is taking over. Still the Silver Surfer, I ain't tripping on Nova. Introducing Mad Child, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a big round of applause for adrenaline. You ain't right, a fucking phantom at night that wears a mask by day with a temper tantrum. Don't light my fuse, cause if this dynamite blows up in your face, there won't be no one left to clean up the place. Smaller members adds up to one thing, and you could quote this: temporary relief for the hopeless.
What we're gonna do right here is go back.
Go back to the essence.
What we're gonna do right here is take it back to the basics. What we're gonna do right here is go back.
Go back to the essence.
What we're gonna do right here is take it back. Take it back.
Prisons that are made by the mind are lethal. That's right. Truly blind, they can bind all people. Make you wanna call out for water and bread. My name is Prev One, I put the thought in your head.
No doubt. Manic depressing, I panic from too much stressing. Of course I'm second guessing, cause life is just a question. Keep your suggestions, we ain't hearing you guys. My name is Mad Child, I put the fear in your eyes.
Gray skies, disguise my chariot. I've arrived to mesmerize the arrogant. Clear the area and change the false. Prophetic speakers that lead the lost.
That's right. We feel the need to work and conquer at all costs. Underground, so there ain't nothing to fall off. Never spoke soft, so what if we get broke off? We ain't the type of people that's meant to be made a joke of.
What we're gonna do right here is go back.
Go back to the essence.
What we're gonna do right here is take it back to the basics. What we're gonna do right here is go back.
Go back to the essence.
What we're gonna do right here is take it back. Take it back. Take